This is AskSpot, and with AskSpot, you can create chatbots, Spotlight, IntelliForm, and inside a chatbot, you can put your own, you can upload your own sources, web page Q&A, text integrations, and RSS content. You can also customize the setting of the chatbot. This is the general setting, the customization, the AI configuration. This will be the system prompt for the chatbot, and you can choose your AI platform and bring your own API key. You have your flow setting, so you can create a flow inside the flow builder and connect it to any one of your chatbots. Controls allows you to limit and have some accessibility controls. Here's the channels that we have for chatbots. Here are the different sharing options that we have. Here's where you can view the data that the chatbot has collected. The chatbot must have a form connected to it, a lead form connected to it in order to collect data, or it must have a flow that's collecting data, so this will populate. And then chats allow you to see all of the chats that the chatbot has. With chat settings, if you share chats, they can add Q&A from the chats page by providing them a password. Chat automation details, you can connect a webhook inside the webhook section in AskSpot to automate the process. Analytics for the chatbots is here. Now, this is an IntelliForm. So IntelliForm is basically an intelligent form, and here's your prompt builder, form builder part, and you can choose your ending action to be either of these three. You can use some text blocks, input blocks, contact, choice, time, rating, layout, and media. And you can add a new page here or a new cover page. So when adding an input or a choice block, you need to put unique ID, or any other block, actually any block that you add inside the IntelliForm, you need to put a unique ID so you can reference this in your prompts. And then after they filled out the form, there will be an ending page where the AI response will be displayed. You can upload sources for the IntelliForm. You can add up to 5 prompts for the IntelliForm, and here's how the prompting looks like inside an IntelliForm. So these are the unique IDs, and here's the prompt. You can enable web browsing, and you can type here how should the AI use this information. You can select data sources that was added, and then under customization are these options. And under sharing, you have SEO, open graph, code, and controls. You can connect a webhook to your IntelliForm to trigger when the IntelliForm event type is selected. Data that the form has collected, chats, any chats that the form has collected, and analytics. Next, we have spotlights. Spotlights allows you to create kind of like a spotlight of a business or a person. So let me just show you. So you have these settings available, which is the header, where you can add the nav bar and add custom links and calls to action and title and the logo. And you also have your profile options, where you can add also your social media profiles. And here's your chat options and your branding options. You also have the customization part, where you see the live actual usage, and you can even create your custom themes right here or select from the pre-built ones inside AskSpot. AI configurations, so the Spotlight has an AI assistant, and here's where you can edit the system prompt and the AI platforms. Flow setting, you can connect a flow. So the Spotlight is similar to the chatbot. But with the Spotlight, your AI assistant is right there beside your Spotlight. So as you can see, it looks a little bit like this. There you go. So that's a Spotlight. Now, let me show you the Flow Builder. So with the Flow Builder, you can actually use some of these very powerful blocks that we have and then connect it to your chatbot. So this enables you to have more control on your chatbot. And then the lead forms allows you to create two types of forms, opt-in and in-chat. An in-chat form just pops up within the chat conversation, and the opt-in form pops up as a window, and not inside the chat conversation. So those are the lead forms that you can connect to your chatbot. Then we have webhooks, where you can set up in your webhooks for your IntelliForm, for user info, and for chats. So you just need to put the webhook URL and the name, and then choose the event type. The user info, this event will be called when the user submits the opt-in form or the in-chat form. And then we have the chats for the event type and also the IntelliForm. Then we also have some tags option here in AskSpot. Some prompting, you can save your prompts and use it again later, or you can generate your own prompt inside AskSpot. As long as you are using OpenAI, you will be able to use the prompt generator. And then the template library is here. We have templates for chatbots in IntelliForms, and you can even filter by category. We have collections. So in here you can build a micro collection of all your tools inside AskSpot, or all the tools you've created inside AskSpot. And then over here on the settings, you can actually update your personal info, password, API key. You can select between these four. Custom domain, you can click on the show me the custom domain setup guide to help you further. And the billing can be updated in here also. That's it. That's AskSpot.